Hi, my name is Adam and I work for HP. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing, setting up, and installation of the HP OfficeJet Pro 6978 printer. The first thing we're going to do is open the box, so pop the tape and pry back the flaps. First, you'll find the installation CD for both Windows and Mac. If in the future you misplace this disk, you can download the software and drivers at 123.hp.com. This is the setup poster. This is the basic setup instructions for your printer, similar to what we were showing in this video. Next is the Get Started guide, which includes additional information on features for your printer and has some basic troubleshooting. Here we have the HP Instant Ink card for this printer. In some countries, HP offers a subscription service for replacement ink on certain printers. If you subscribe, your printer orders ink automatically based on the subscription plan you choose. This is not available for all printers. Next is a caution flyer about ink. And here you will find a complete set of setup cartridges. These cartridges are required for the initial setup of your printer. Replacement cartridges bought from the store cannot be used for this setup. Here's the printer's power cord. HP recommends using the power cord shipped with your printer. And for faxing, here's a 2-wire phone cable for setting up your fax line. This 2-wire phone cable supplied with your printer is best for faxing. Next, you can remove the printer from the box. Rotate the box so it sits on its side. Grab the plastic bag containing the printer and slide it out of the box. Set the box aside for recycling. Remove the styrofoam end caps from both sides of the printer and then set them aside for recycling. All packing materials in the box are recyclable. For more information, go to hp.com/recycle. Slide out the printer from the plastic bag. Next, remove all visible blue tape and clear protective plastic from around the printer. Slide out the input tray and then lift the output tray to continue removing the tape and other packing materials. Remove the protective plastic from all reflective surfaces. Slide in the input tray. Continue removing all the blue tape and clear plastic from the top and sides of the printer. Go to the back of the printer and remove the tape. Go to the side and remove the last 2 pieces. Return to the front and remove any last pieces of protective plastic. Lift the scanner lid and remove the styrofoam sheet. Now let's connect the power cord. Go to the back of the printer. Remove the twist tie from the power cord. And then plug it into the port. Make sure it's firmly in place. Plug the other end of the power cord into a wall outlet. HP recommends using a wall outlet for best performance of your HP printer. Once plugged in, power on the printer. The printer will begin initializing and make some noise. From the printer control panel, you will have to choose your language. Select your language and then touch Confirm. Then select your country or region and touch Confirm. Set the date and touch Continue. Then set the time and touch Continue. Touch Continue Setup. Now we are going to install the cartridges that came with the printer. Open the ink cartridge access door. Remove the insert from the carriage. Remove the plastic from the bundle of cartridges. The order of the cartridges in the bundle might not match up in the order in which they are installed in the carriage. Make sure to match the color and letter on the cartridge to the color and letter on the printer. Use the orange pull tab to remove the plastic from the cartridge. Make sure you use the pull tab to properly expose the vent in the cartridge. Twist the orange cap counterclockwise until it snaps off. Starting with the black cartridge, insert it into the corresponding slot in the printer. Push down until you feel it snap into place. Next, install the yellow cartridge, then the magenta, and lastly the cyan. With all cartridges installed, close the ink cartridge access door. Touch OK. The printer checks the cartridges and prompts you to load paper. Slide out the input tray and lift the output tray. Load unused plain white paper into the tray. Adjust the paper width guide, then slide in the tray. Lower the output tray. The printer asks you to confirm the paper loaded. Touch OK. Touch Done. Touch OK and then slide out the output tray extender. The printer will align the printhead and print out a page. An alignment is necessary to finish setting up your printer for the best possible printouts. Once the alignment page prints, lift the scanner lid. Place the page print side down on the scanner glass. Use the markings as a guide to properly place the page. Close the scanner lid. On the printer control panel, touch Scan to scan the alignment page. The alignment sheet must be scanned to finish your printer setup. An alignment successful message displays on your control panel. If you do not receive an alignment successful message, go to support.hp.com for further help. Touch OK. At this point, the hardware setup is complete. You can lift the scanner lid, remove the alignment page, and recycle it. Now you can set up the software for your printer from either a Windows or Mac computer or your mobile device. On your computer, open a web browser. Go to 123.hp.com/setup. On HP's site, click Download. Click Run or open the downloaded file. The files extract and then launch. During the installation, Windows might ask you to confirm if you want to open the file or allow changes to your computer. Click Run, Continue, or Yes to continue the installation. The HP Easy Start utility files extract and launch. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the software installation. This has been the unboxing, setting up, and installation of the HP OfficeJet Pro 6978 printer.